Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Square Loan for retail stores based on my own experience as a shop owner. When I first opened my retail shop, managing cash flow was a constant challenge. I needed to invest in inventory for the holiday season, but traditional bank loans felt like a massive uphill battle. Long applications, personal guarantees, and weeks of waiting. That's where Square Loans came in. What I found unique is that they only offer you a loan if you're already an eligible Square seller. There's no separate application you can fill out. They look at your actual sales history through the Square point of sale system to see if your business can comfortably handle the repayment. For me, that meant the loan offer just appeared on my Square dashboard one day. It was personalized, telling me the maximum amount I qualified for. The biggest educational takeaway for me was understanding the repayment structure. It's not like a typical loan with monthly interest. Square uses a fixed fee instead of ongoing interest. They show you the total amount you need to pay back, the principal plus that fixed fee, right up front. There are no hidden fees or prepayment penalties. Repayment is automatic and flexible, which is a massive plus for a retail business with fluctuating sales. A small, fixed percentage of your daily card sales process through Square is automatically deducted. On a busy Saturday, you pay a bit more. On a slow Tuesday, you pay less. This system directly ties your repayment to your cash flow, which drastically reduced my stress about making large, fixed payments when sales were slow. I used my first Square loan to bulk up inventory for Christmas. The funds were in my bank account in a couple of business days, which is lightning fast compared to my bank's process. It allowed me to seize a time-sensitive opportunity, which a retail business often needs. It's important to know that because they rely on your sales data, you don't need to put up collateral for smaller loan amounts, and it generally doesn't require a hard credit check or impact your personal credit score. My advice? If you're a retail store already using Square, keep an eye on your dashboard. When an offer appears, study the fixed fee and the repayment percentage. It's a convenient, transparent, and quick way to get the capital your store needs to grow, especially for inventory or minor renovations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.